Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Today I'm sitting in a Macan 4 EV, and we're going to take a look at some shortcuts, or a shortcut to change media stations while you're driving. It's a much easier way of doing it than reaching over here to the screen, but as you know, you can get into the music icon by pressing this or pressing this up here. Then you can get into the stations, and you could change the stations via this screen here. Now, a much easier way of doing that is to come over here to the steering wheel, this scroll bar on the right side, scroll through until you see the radio come up on the right binnacle there. Now, if you just press this button, you can see that you can select radio or Sirius XM. If you have your phone connected, that will show as well. If I press on and select Sirius XM, go back up to station list, it will show me all the different Sirius XM channels, and I can easily go in and click those as I'm driving. Same thing going back again to the radio. I just go and highlight that and then have a station list, and I can easily scroll through and select the station that I want. Just a much easier way of doing it, keeping your eyes on the road, driver focused. That's the way it's meant to be, and that's a nice shortcut to use. So try it out, and hope it helps. My number here, 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.